Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of ePrime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artists Sean Paul and Cranium are set to make an appearance on American hip-hop comedy series Wild 'N Out. The hitmakers were recently present at the Tyler Perry Studios in Atlanta, Georgia, filming for the 15th season of the show. Nick Cannon presents Wild 'N Out. It is an American sketch comedy and improv television series that was created and hosted by comedian Nick Cannon. The freestyle show features some of TV's most viral moments from celebrity guests and performers. The TV show saw the likes of Kevin Hart, Iggy Azalea, Snoop Dogg, Zendaya, T-Pain, French Montana, Kanye West, among others making appearances on the show. Cranium shared this photo of himself and Sean Paul on Twitter, announcing the second appearance. Sean Paul made his debut on season 2 of the show, which premiered back in 2006. He was joined by international supermodel Tyra Banks. At the end, he performed his hit single, Temperature. Now, Cranium, on the other hand, appeared as a guest on the show in 2017 on season 10. The new episode of the show will air sometime in 2020. Reggae singer Coffee has been featured on former U.S. President Barack Obama's list for favorite music of 2019. Coffee's international hit single, Toast, was once again chosen by Obama to be a part of the list. The song was also on his Songs of the Summer playlist. Toast, produced by Easy Beats, was released back in 2018 and has since given Coffee international recognition. The video for the song has amassed over 94 million views on YouTube. Toast is also featured on her debut EP, Rapture, that has been nominated for a Grammy Award.
Dancehall artist Styla G's hit track Dumpling Remix featuring Sean Paul and Spice was recently endorsed by YouTube Music. The official account for YouTube shared the official link for the video, describing it as a massive party anthem. Dumpling Remix music video was shot in location in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, and premiered back in October via Styla G's YouTube channel. The video has over 12 million views on the streaming platform.